Welcome to Green Haven Organics. In today's video, we'll reveal the top 5 organic fertilizers you should use to ensure your garden thrives. Learn about their benefits, how to use them, and why they're the best choice for your plants. Don't forget to subscribe for more organic farming tips and tutorials. First on our list is compost. Compost is made from decomposed organic matter such as kitchen scraps, leaves, and grass clippings. It's rich in essential nutrients and improves soil structure. To use compost, simply mix it into your garden soil or use it as a top dressing around your plants. It's great for improving soil fertility and promoting healthy plant growth. Next, we have vermicompost. Vermicompost is produced by earthworms breaking down organic material. It's packed with beneficial microorganisms and nutrients that help plants thrive. You can apply vermicompost directly to the soil or mix it with water to create a nutrient-rich worm tea. It's especially effective for potted plants and seedlings. Third on our list is manure. Manure from animals like cows, chickens, and horses is an excellent source of organic matter and nutrients. However, it's important to use well-aged or composted manure to avoid burning your plants. Spread manure evenly over your garden beds and mix it into the soil. It's a great way to improve soil fertility and boost plant growth. Bone meal is another fantastic organic fertilizer. It's made from ground animal bones and is a great source of phosphorus and calcium, which are essential for root development and flowering. To use bone meal, sprinkle it around the base of your plants or mix it into the soil before planting. It's particularly beneficial for flowering plants and root crops. Finally, we have fish emulsion. Fish emulsion is a liquid fertilizer made from fish waste. It's rich in nitrogen, making it an excellent choice for leafy greens and other nitrogen-loving plants. Dilute fish emulsion according to the package instructions and apply it to the soil or as a foliar spray. It's a fast-acting fertilizer that can give your plants a quick boost. If you found these organic fertilizer tips helpful, make sure to subscribe to Green Haven Organics for more guides and tutorials on organic gardening. Click the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload new content. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover, please leave a comment below. See you in the next video.